Hello everyone, welcome back to CM's English. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to cover up the rest part of my last lecture, that is the steps of the problem solving process. In my last lecture I have covered up what is problem solving. Okay, what is that? How we have to develop the skill of problem solving. Okay, what are the necessary skills to master problem solving? Okay, and if you have not seen this video, then you can go to my playlist and search problem solving part 1. You can find it easily. Okay, so let's continue with the rest part, that is steps of the problem solving process. क्या क्या प्रोसेस हमको स्टेप्स हमको फॉलो करना है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रोसेस में, ठीक है. So first one is the identification of the problem and its root cause. Okay, whenever I'm getting the news that there is some problem somewhere, it may be in a family, it may be in the classroom, it may be in my institution, it may be a company, okay, wherever. First, the person who is going to solve the problem, he has to identify, okay, the problem and its root cause. Okay, and its root cause, problem क्या है और उसका root cause क्या है, ठीक है. Superficially we cannot take any kind of decision. We have to identify what the problem is and why that problem happened. Okay, WH question we have to do, what, why, when. Okay, so क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, ये सब चीज़ हमको मीन्स उसका रूट तक पहुंचना होगा हमें. देन ओनली वी कैन solve the problem easily. That's the first and foremost process of what we can say problem solving process. Okay, second thing, define the goal that you hope to achieve. Okay, so I have to define my own goal. मेरा goal क्या है? Means my goal is to solve the problem, solve the conflict inside my company. So accordingly I have to work. First I have to define my goal. Okay, if I am not defining the goal, if I am not defining my aim at this time, then I cannot solve it. Okay, my aim is to, suppose my aim is to solve this problem and to run my company smoothly. Okay, so at this point I have to define, means what I have to define in that process, what I have to do. First, gathering as much factual information as possible. Okay, जितना हो सके उतना factual, means fact से हुआ factual. ओके, जितना हो सके उतना फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन आई हैव टू कलेक्ट, मुझे कलेक्ट करना होगा. ओके, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेस हो गया. देन कम टू फ्लेक्सिबल व्हेन कंसिडरिंग अदर्स व्यू पॉइंट्स. सपोज देयर इज अ पर्सन इन माय कंपनी एंड ही इज गिविंग मी सम व्यू पॉइंट्स. सर ड्यू टू this cause the problem has arisen, due to that the problem happened. Okay, so I have to flexible, means I have to be open minded when considering others viewpoint. Okay, so different व्यू पॉइंट लेके हमको डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करना पड़ता है, ठीक है. तो हम लोग वी कैन नॉट बी रिजिड, ओके, व्हेन वी आर कंसिडरिंग द पार्ट व्यू पॉइंट. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट ओनली मेक द डिसीजन इन आवर ओन व्यू पॉइंट, वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट अदर्स व्यू पॉइंट ऑल्सो. Okay, then come to the third point, ready with other strategy if the chosen strategy doesn't work. So after analyzing the viewpoints, I have to find out one strategy, I have to find out one way in which I have to resolve the problem. So we cannot find a single way to resolve the problem. We have to keep our plans, means if plan A is going to be failed, then plan B, if plan B is not working, then plan C. So different strategies we have to make. First we have to make different strategy and we have to implement the strategy number 1. Okay, so suppose that strategy is not working, then what we will do? My aim is to solve the problem. Okay, my goal is to solve the problem and to run my institution or school or family or company smoothly. So I have to shift to the other strategy. Okay, next one, stay positive throughout the process. Okay, throughout the process I have to keep a positive mindset. Yes, it is possible. Okay, I can resolve the problem easily. Okay, So if my mindset is negative, then the whole judgmental process will going to be affected. Okay, then choosing a solution and act on it. ओके सपोज ये जो प्रोसेसिंग कर रहा था स्ट्रैटेजी, डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजी लेके मैं अप्लाई कर रहा था, उसमें से एक बहुत सारा सोल्यूशन आएगा. ठीक है, सो अगर ये स्ट्रैटेजी होगा तो उसमें सोल्यूशन या ये आएगा प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए. अगर बी स्ट्रैटेजी होगा तो उसमें सोल्यूशन ये आएगा उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए. सो आई हैव टू चूज वन सोल्यूशन एंड आई हैव टू एक्ट ऑन इट. आई हैव टू चूज द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन व्हाट आई थिंक एंड आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. ओके, अगर वो सोल्यूशन काम नहीं कर रहा है देन आई हैव टू गो फॉर द सेकंड सोल्यूशन. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इवैल्यूएट द आउटकम ऑफ द अप्लाइड सोल्यूशन. जो सोल्यूशन हम लोग अप्लाई किए, ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, उसको अभी नाउ द टाइम इज टू इवैल्यूएट दैट, व्हाट यू कैन से इवैल्यूएट दैट सोल्यूशन, इवैल्यूएट द आउटकम ऑफ दैट सोल्यूशन. व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? आउटकम क्या मिला जब हम लोग एक सोल्यूशन को अप्लाई किए, एक तरीका निकाले प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, उसका रिएक्शन क्या आ रहा है, उसका आउटकम क्या आ रहा है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव टू एनालाइज, इज द सोल्यूशन वर्किंग. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू गैदर द डाटा, वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दैट द सोल्यूशन इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. हमारा जो सोल्यूशन मैंने दिया है वो ठीक से काम कर रहा है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, will this solution work for other problems? Okay, we have to find the solutions in such a way that in a generalized way, okay, that maximum problems that are possible, that may happen in future. Okay, all those problems will we will be able to solve all those problems in a single solution. Okay, so हम लोग को देखना पड़ेगा, will this solution work for other problems, different kind of other problems लेके उसके ऊपर भी ये solution को अप्लाई करना होगा, that is it working on other problems or not. Okay, then would another solution have worked better? So then also we have to analyze that this solution is working properly or the other solution would work better. Okay, ये solution अच्छे से काम कर रहा है या दूसरा solution अगर मैं देता तो अच्छा काम करता. ठीक है, so for that I have to do the experiment. Okay, experimentation process. Okay, so in this way I have to find the solution of a particular problem, or we can say particular conflict. Okay, so these are all the processes, step by step methods. Okay, we cannot skip one step and go and jump to the another step. Okay, so applicability of each and every step is important. Okay, so then the fifth one, open-ended communication. That is the most important thing. When I was doing the class of communication skill, in that also I have told you that communication skill is the most important, that the root of every skill. Okay, whatever we may do, we have to communicate with others. Okay, suppose I am going to solve the problem but I am not able to communicate properly, communicate effectively with others. I am not able to transmit my own views, okay, towards others, towards my group members, then what is the value of my problem solving skill? So communication skills should be the person should be a master in the communication skill, and open-ended communication should be there. Means what is the meaning of open-ended? And another communication is there, that is close-ended. Close-ended means suppose 4 groups are there, the group 4 is unable to talk to the group 1, means they are the high level officials. Okay, high level authorities. Okay, the group 4 cannot talk to the group 1 directly. Okay, so that is called your close-ended communication. Open-ended communication means suggestion from each and every member is accepted. Okay, suppose I am a group 4 member, I want to talk to the managing director of my company, then that is also the MD is going to welcome me and he is going to accept what I am saying. He may not implement that one, but communication should be open. That should not be closed out of the class consciousness, or you can say financial strata, or you can say the out of ego. Okay, these communication process should not be closed. If the communication process is open for all, then the problem can be solved easily. So that is the, we can say, the basic process of problem solving. Okay, if we are able to communicate properly, then we can able to we can able to collect all the causes of the problem, why it happened, how it can be solved. Okay, so the communication plays a vital role here. Okay, hope all of you have understood the concept properly, and if you have not watched the previous video of problem solving skill, then you can search problem solving part 1 in my playlist. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video with most patience, and if you are new to the channel, then kindly subscribe it, and like and share this lecture as much as possible. Okay, so that I will get the motivation to bring new concept for you. Okay, so thank you everyone.